Hey people, welcome to the stream. Just give me a sec, I will see if I'm live or not, and then we can start it. I'm starting today early. It's 8 actually, so just give me a sec. Yep, I think I'm live. Yep. So let's begin the problem. Okay. For the people who are watching this video in the future, or yeah, the plan is to solve the SQL top 50 problems, both in SQL and in Pandas. You can search this study plan in the Leetcode after signing in. Okay, so today's problem is customers who brought all products. So we have the table customer with the customer ID and product key. Okay, and the table may contain duplicate rows and customer ID is not null. So this customer ID is not null, and product key is the foreign key. Okay, so foreign key in the sense there might be another table. Okay, so there is product table. Okay, and we have the product key in this, which is the primary key. Okay, and what we need to do, we need to write a solution to report the customer IDs from the customer table that brought all the products in the product table. Okay, so we can return the table in any order, and result format is following example. So this is the customer table with the ID 12331, and product key is 56566. Okay, and product key is 56. So basically find 6, so it should be 1 because it brought find 6 all, and 3. Okay, I think that is the output. Yeah, so 1 and 3 basically is the output because they brought all the products. Okay, so yeah, so let's switch over to our solution. So what I'm doing here is select customer ID from customer. So this customer ID from customer, group by customer ID. So basically I'm grouping it by customer ID, having a count of distinct product key. So having count of distinct product key. Okay, so this distinct product key is equal to select count of product key from the product. Okay. So here, if you can see in this table schema, that is the product, here product key is primary key. Okay, so that means it won't have the duplicates here. So that is the reason we have just the count. So whatever count it has. So basically, if you see only this statement, okay, so let me copy this, Control V, and let me comment out this part. So if I run this part, okay, so you will see that only 2 IDs are there, right? So we will get output only 2. Okay, so if you see this table, we will get 5 and 6 basically. So let me check the output here. Yeah, so the count is 2 here. Okay, because 5 and 6, right? Now see, group by customer ID having count of distinct product key. So if you see from here, the count of distinct product could be 5 and 6 because the rest others are duplicates. So whenever the 2 and 2 will be equal for particular customer ID, then that will be considered as the output. Okay, so hope you are clear with this. So if I run this, so basically 1 and 3 has the count is equal to 2, that is 5 and 6. Okay, so that is the reason we get the output in this format. So 5 and 6 and customer ID 1 and 3, because we are getting customer ID from customers and we are grouping it by customer ID having count of distinct product key. So basically this product key distinct, we get is equal to select count of product key from product. Okay, so if you see this table, I mean this query, we haven't joined this table like these tables. Okay, so without joining, we have used something like subquery here, or yeah, subquery or another query like that, and we have brought the output. Okay, so hope you understood this query, the MySQL query. Okay, don't get confused. So okay, let me submit this. Okay, okay, so it accepted. So let's switch over to Pandas. Okay, and let's have the description open here. Okay, so in case of Pandas, here you will see customer is one data frame and product is the second data frame. So what we are doing in the first scenario, customer dot drop duplicates. So basically, we are dropping duplicates and keeping the first. That means we are not dropping all the duplicates. Okay, and group by customer ID. So we are grouping it by customer ID. Okay, so that is the same query as SQL, and count reset index. Okay, so if I run this or if I return just the df, you will see the output. Okay, so let's run this. So basically what you will say is I think 2 will be the output. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, what it is doing, it is counting the product key assigned to the customer ID. So if you see 1, the product key output is 2 because it is assigned 5 and 6. Okay, and for 2 it is just the 6, so that is the reason it is 1. And for 3 again it is 2 because it has 5 and 6. Okay, so hope this is clear. So what it does, it drops the duplicates first of all. Okay, keeping the first, and group by customer ID. So basically it is grouping by customer ID and it is getting the count of it. Okay, so that is the output what we got just now. So next what we are doing, we are returning if df of product key. So basically this df of product key, so it will check for this is equal to len of product of customer ID. Okay, so df of product key is equal to len of product of customer ID. Okay, what, okay, let's run this, let's see. Okay. It is not like len of customer ID. Okay, so it is len of product, length of product. So length of product in the sense this, basically this table length, that is 2, right? So what we got here is df of product key is basically whatever the product key was there, right? Yeah, this one, so like 5 and 6, so it will give 2. So if the 2 is equal to 2, then it will return that customer ID. Okay, so like that. So this is our output basically, so it returns just the customer ID. So we're just retaining the customer ID wherever the length of product table is equal to the length of product key. Okay, like that. Okay, so let's submit this. Okay, so it accepted our test cases or the solution. So hope you understood both the SQL and Pandas query, right? So if you have any confusion, do comment out in the comment section. What if you get confused, okay? Or if you have some better approach, you can also comment the solution in the comment section so that people can understand in a better way. Okay. So yeah, hope you learned something from this video, and do like, share, and subscribe this playlist or video with your friends who are trying to upskill in the same. Okay. So yeah, meet you in the next problem statement. Till then, take care. Bye bye.